Star Jimmy, mac with cheese. Wait for a few more people to get in here. Send out some invites. I'm doing that now. How you guys doing? Let me know. What up, Nez? Just figured I'd hop on here, unbox a couple of goodies from Fable Beard Co that I just got. But we'll wait for get a few more people in here before we open that up. But Jason Cook, welcome. Give you a wave. Up to 4 people so far. Healthy Bearded, J Cruz in the building. What's up, Cruz? How you doing? Jason, hey. Thanks for stopping by. So I'm gonna be doing a full video on some Christmas beard products. As you can see with my little Christmas setup there. Nez, what's up, my boy? What's up? What's up? Tiki in the house. I think that's how you pronounce that. It's me, Jordan. That's right, other Jordan. Healthy Beard, what's up, community? Jason, the beard looks dope. Thanks, appreciate that. Yeah, it's definitely coming in nice. Just got it trimmed recently to kind of shape it a little bit. It's definitely looking righteous. All these nice products I've been testing recently. Hold on. 6 people in so far. Give it a few more minutes. Everybody just kind of talk amongst yourselves. If you have any questions for me, throw them in the chat. Let me know. Let me know what's up. Let me know what's everybody up to today. How's everyone's day going so far? Jake cruising for a bruising. Shots fired. Healthy Beard just sent some invites. Ha, nice. The Room Beard Co. Hey, got some products coming from the Room Beard Co. Should be any day now. Just kind of waiting 100% to get them in, but they are en route. It's gonna be checking out their the rune scent. Room Beard Co. sent a request. Oh, cool. Maybe in a minute. I want to get this. Oh, Slack's watching the building. Ryan. What up, Colt? How you doing? Carpetron's beard in the house. Let's go. Alright, up to 8 people. Let's get it. Hey, what's up? Thanks for popping in, Tyson. Cheesy Mac. Oh, for everybody watching, I'm going to be recording a episode of The Bearded Truth with Mac with the Cheese tonight. Won't be live until January because I've got so many episodes. McMahon, what's up? Thanks for popping in, Tyson. Cool. Open it up. Bearded Uric, let's go. Alright, Cruz says open it up, so whatever J Cruz says goes. Let's see if I can. I don't have a knife with me because it's who knows where it's at right now. I'm just gonna do this kind of. A little bit of struggle here. Mac with cheese. Thanks, Colt. That's actually just have Clever Beard Co. Silent Night in today. No balm, no butter. Just also didn't go any heat today. Just kind of let it dry with a towel. All right, get this open. Weird Beard Company in the house. Here's trouble. Let's go. Ooh, that's fancy. Sir Cantillon with the seal. Okay. Okay, Fable, I see you. Pretty nice unboxing experience so far. I'm trying not to wreck the seal so I can keep it. Knives and mayo go together like mac and cheese. Ha! Facts. But, you know, I have one, but it's around somewhere. There you go. I'm just gonna beast mode this thing open. Whoop. Here we go. Dear adventurer, we could not imagine a world without you in it. Your wonder and adventure has completely changed our lives. With your support, we have accomplished what others can only dream of. May your holidays be filled with untold blessings and treasure. Until the next adventure, the wizard. Boom. Definitely gonna put that on the wall with the rest of my my notes from companies. Super cool. Benji Nichols, welcome. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Santa Travis in the house. Oh wow. Cool. Put that there. And then we got the goodies. Ooh, hold up now. The Claws beard oil from Fable Beard Co. Really, I'm gonna get them unboxed and then I'll give them a live reaction. Blue Shirt Bearded, welcome. So there's that. Really cool packaging. What is it about those black sealers from Fable that makes everyone not want to mess them up? I do the same thing, because it's like, because it's mad fancy, and like not every company does it. So like you don't want to wreck it, because a lot of us beardsmen are like collectors of, like I still have like a whole bunch of notes from different companies just over here. I've got some cool boxes. I've got Weird Beard Co's cigar box that they boxed my order in just over there on my beard shelf, which you can see. You'll be seeing it in my next couple of podcast episodes that I've recorded in the last little while. All right, and then oh, hold up now. My Christmas display. Ooh, let's go. This is probably going to be a whole Instagram video. Got the beard Christmas decorations. Axe got a little knife and easily open around the seal. Smart. Beard review database in the house. Adrian, what's up? Yeah, I'm excited to test these out. This will be a whole Instagram post, video probably. Gonna be lots of fun. And then, last but not least, also this envelope's really nice. Boom, love the ornaments. Oh yeah, I'm excited to check those out. It's gonna be a fun time. And then we've got the Elf beard butter. It's got a minty hot cocoa scent to it. So let's now that we've gotten everything opened up, let's give these a live first reaction. See what's happening. Also, if you haven't already, send out some invites so we can get some more people in here to party. Bearded Ant, welcome. I still have ornaments from last year. Nice. That's awesome. So that's the container that they come in. I think it's plastic. Might be glass. Not 100% sure. Really cool artwork. So the oil is the Claws. See right there. And this one's a Christmas cookies scent. So I'm definitely gonna be interested to check that out. I think the two of this combo together is gonna be awesome. Bearded Vado in the house, or Vado, I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. But yeah, minty hot cocoa with like Christmas cookies. It's gonna be have me smelling nice. All right, let's check this out. So this is the beard butter, first of all. Gotta run. All right, thanks Adrian for coming through. Ooh. Okay. Minty hot cocoa beard butter. Yeah, I definitely get that. Definitely, I smell the cocoa first with like a little undertone of mint. McMahon, I got a couple meetings. Catch you next time. Thanks for coming through, McMahon. Oof. Yup. Yeah, I'm digging this so far. That's the texture of it. I'll have a full review on this coming eventually. Add it to the list. All right, let's check out the Claws beard oil. This is a standard size bottle, 1 milliliter. Yeah. Something. 1 milliliter. 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 1 millil Oh, wow, that is nice. Yup. Christmas cookies and a beard oil. Who would have thought? Nice, clearish oil. Looks fairly light to medium, I would say. Oh, I can't wait to put this in beard. This is gonna be awesome. Jolly old fat man in the house. What's up, Bam? How you doing? Whatever. Let me get this plastic off here because it's gonna bother me. Jolly old fat man, yeah. Hey, thanks for coming through. I don't know. Let me know in the chat. But does anybody just kind of hate getting this like plastic off of like oils? Healthy Bearded, talk to me nice. Yo, J Cruz. These ones are nice. You gotta, I would say, pick them up. Like already, I'm impressed. Man, I'm about to smell good and freaking be hungry all day. Wow. Let's see if I can do a double sniff. See what the combo is gonna be like. See if I can do this safely. Dude, if you don't have these, you're sleeping. Straight up. Wow. Man, oh man. That's... Yep, I'm sold. Yeah, if you haven't checked these out, check them out. Like, really awesome scents for Christmas time. And if you order right now, you get the Christmas beard decorations. Smell good like Graham's bacon. Ha! 100%. D-Man Bell, welcome. Yeah, this is really, really good. But yeah, so just wanted to hop on live real quick to unbox some things from Fable Beard Co. Their Christmas line. So we got the Claus beard oil, the Elf beard butter, and beard Christmas decorations. So stay tuned for some more content featuring these as well as these two. Yeah, I'm really impressed so far. I'll let you guys know how they feel in beard. Where are they from? They're from Fable Beard Co. Just buy them on the Fable website. Jason, if you DM me, I can send you the link or point you in the right direction after this. But yeah, really good stuff. Not too crazy expensive. Yeah, thanks everybody for coming through. More content coming soon. Yeah, that's all I've got for right now. Might do this again soon because I really do enjoy these live videos. I've been a part of a whole bunch recently, like checking in with Slack Squatch and Weird Beard. Pretty good time. Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. That's all for now. Peace out.